Hey, what's going on, guys? Thought I'd give you guys a quick update. So my battery came in today. I installed the battery and well, this is what happens. I'm not sure what the issue is, but we're not starting. I don't know what the fuck's going on. So if any of you guys have any insight on that, I would love to know what you guys think it could be. It's not a spark plug. I know that pretty much for a fact because I got the spark plugs changed about 2 at the most 3,000 miles ago. So it's not the spark plugs. Those are fine. What the fuck? Can we please go back on? Jesus Christ. If I can get the gas cap back on. Don't even really know why I took it off, but whatever. So yeah, that's all it does. Try to give it some gas too. Nothing. So I'm kind of at a loss, guys. So if you guys have any insight on this, please let me know, man. Like, this is getting old. It's obviously not the starter. Everything's firing. Battery is obviously charged, or it wouldn't sound like that at all. So yeah, I'm kind of at a loss. I don't really know what it is, and this thing has to be running when the fairings get in. Like, there's no way around it. It has to be running. So please, guys, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think. And do you guys think it could be maybe a flooded engine? And if so, if it is, and that's what you guys think it is, how do you get around that? I'm really kind of at a loss. I have no idea what it could be. So please, guys, sound off down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, and hopefully it's a simple solution. All right, thanks, guys. Later.